Good morning, students. Today we will solve this problem of issue and redemption of debentures. Tulip Limited issued rupees 4 lakhs 9% debentures of rupees 100 each on April 1st, 2014 at a premium of 6%. Redeemable, and they are redeemable at a premium of 10% on 31st March 2018. Assume that required investment was made in 10% government securities on April 30 of the financial year in which redemption is due. Debentures were redeemed on the due date. Past journal entries at the time of issue and redemption of debenture. So let's start now. So here we will pass the journal entries in the books of Tulip Limited. In this problem, we have discussed the problem already. In this problem, they told us that the company issued rupees 4 lakh 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 6%, means at rupees 106. Number of debentures are 4,000 because the amount is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs divided by 100 is equal to 4,000. So 4,000 debentures were issued at rupees 106 per debenture. Understood? These debentures are redeemable at 10% premium, that is at 110 on 31st March 2018. They have told us that required investment was made in 10% government securities on 30th April of the financial year of redemption due, that is in which the redemption is due, that is redemption is due on 31st March 2018. So the investment was made on 30th April 2017. Okay, because 17-18 is the financial year. So we have to pass the entries in this problem for issue as well as redemption of debentures. Let's start. We all know that entry of how to pass the entry of issue of debentures. So entry will be on 1st April 2014. Bank account debit to 9% debentures application and allotment account. Application money received on 4,000 debentures at rupees 106 each or at 6% premium. This should be the narration. And so 4,000 into 106 is 4,24,000. Okay, this entry is of issue of debentures, that is application money received. Now on the same date there will be transfer of application money. So 9% debenture application and allotment account debit ₹4,24,000. Loss on issue of debentures account debit here we have to write the loss, that is premium on redemption of debentures. Original amount, that is face value of debentures, is rupees 4 lakhs. On 4 lakhs 10% premium is payable at the time of redemption, that is rupees 40,000. So loss on issue of debentures account will be debited by that premium, that is 40,000, to 9% debentures account. It will be 4 lakhs. Okay, to security premium reserve account. Here we have to write the premium at the time of issue, that is 24,000, and to premium on redemption of debentures account, that is 40,000. This premium at the time of redemption is lost to the company, so it is debited to loss on issue of debentures account as usual. Okay, so application money adjusted or application money transferred or issue of 4,000 9% debentures at 6% premium and redeemable at 10% premium, असंही सगळं लिहू शकता तुम्ही. आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये मी सगळं डिटेल नॅरेशन लिहित होते, कारण ते तुम्हाला शिकवायचं होतं कसं नॅरेशन येतं, मीनिंग ऑफ नॅरेशन एटसेट्रा एव्हरीथिंग. These two entries are of issue of debentures. Now these debentures are redeemable as on 31st March 2018. So on 31st March 2017 they have to create 25% DRR. Okay, so on 2017 31st March they will create DRR, means they will transfer 25% amount from statement of profit and loss to DRR account. Okay, so statement of P&L म्हणजे profit and loss debit to DRR account. Narration will be transferred 25% of the nominal value of debentures redeemable. Redeemable amount at 25% we have to transfer to DRR. Redeemable amount, that is nominal value, means face value, is 4 lakhs. 25% of 4 lakhs will be 1 lakh, so 1 lakh will be transferred to debenture redemption reserve. Okay, then on 30th April, on or before 30th April, they will invest 15% amount in any type of investment. So on April 30, DRI account debit to bank account. DRI account debit means debentures redemption investment account debit to bank account. Narration will be investment made at 15% of the face value of debentures to be redeemed, means 15% investment made of nominal value of debentures redeemable. Okay, 15% of 4 lakhs, that will be 60,000. So 60,000 worth investment was made. This is the entry of investment made. Okay, now next entry. Now entries of redemption at the date of redemption. Date of redemption is 31st March 2018. So on 2018 March 31st, अशीच डेट लिहिली पाहिजे असं नाही. 31st March 18 असंही लिहिलं तरी चालेल, 31st 3/18 असंही लिहिलं तरी चालेल. ओके, नाव वी हॅव टू सेल दॅट इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अँड दे टोल्ड अस दॅट दिस डिबेंचर इज ऑफ 10% government securities. So 60,000 were investment, 60,000 rupees were invested in 10% government securities. So they will get at the rate of 10% the interest on those government securities. Okay, so the entry will be bank account debit सेल ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंटची एंट्री आहे आणि ॲट द टाइम ऑफ सेल ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मीन्स एनकॅशमेंट ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट we will get also the interest on that investment. Okay, so bank account debit to debenture redemption investment account to interest received account or interest earned account. Okay, now see, they will get the original amount 60,000. On 60,000, 10% will be the debenture interest per annum, that is 6,000. This is the interest for per annum, that is for 12 months. But this investment was made on 30th April, so they will get interest from May, month of May. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. So that is 11 months. So the investment interest they will get for 11 months only, not for 12 months. Okay, so if the interest is for 12 months will be 10% of 60,000, that is 6,000. इंटरेस्ट फॉर 11 मंथ्स विल बी 5,500. ओके, मी इथे तुम्हाला पाहिजे तरी लेखी करून दाखवते इफ इट इज युअर रिक्वायरमेंट, बट आय डोंट थिंक सो बिकॉज 6,000 फॉर 12 मंथ्स, 6,000 डिवायडेड बाय 12 इज इक्वल टू 500 पर मंथ. एका महिन्याचा 500 मायनस करायचा आहे म्हणजे 11 मंथ्सचा 5,500. सो इंटरेस्ट 5,500 अँड ओरिजिनल अमाऊंट 60,000. सो दे विल गेट 65,500 total amount in their bank, 60,000 of investment and 5,500 of interest. Okay, so this is the entry. We can pass separate entries also, bank account debit to DRI account and bank account debit to interest received account, but we have passed the combined entry of two entries. Okay, so investment with 10% interest for 11 months encashed. So we can also say sold, realized, etc. Okay, this is for 11 months. Now after selling investment, they will show the amount due on redemption. So on 31st March the entry will be, in case of debentures are redeemable at at par, the entry will be debentures account debit to debenture holders account. But in this problem, these debentures are redeemable at 10% premium. So entry will be 9% debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debentures account debit to debenture holders account. Okay, so 9% debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debentures account debit, (9% debentures account debit, the amount due is 4 lakhs, 10% premium, so amount due is 40,000, premium payable at the time of redemption to debenture holders account. Total amount due that is payable is 4,40,000. Okay, so amount due on redemption or amount due to debenture holders असं पण म्हणू शकतो आपण. This is the entry of amount due on redemption. Now payment of the amount on 31st March. So debenture holders account debit, (4,40,000) to bank account, 4,40,000. Okay, amount paid to debenture holders, payment made to debenture holders, or amount paid on redemption, असं तुम्ही काही नॅरेशन लिहू शकता. Amount paid is 4,40,000. Now the amount in DRR will be transferred to general reserve account. So DRR account debit. We have amount of rupees 1 lakh in DRR. So DRR account debit 1 lakh to general reserve account 1 lakh. Okay. DRR transferred to general reserve account on redemption. This is the entry. And now company has received interest 5,500 from the investment made, 15% investment made in government securities. So this interest is income of the company, so it should be transferred to statement of profit and loss. So on the same date, dates are same, हे लक्षात ठेवा प्लीज. Dates are 31st March 2018. First they have sold the investment and got the interest, then they have shown the debenture redemption amount due to the debenture holders, then payment made to debenture holders, then amount in DRR transferred to general reserve account, and then last entry will be interest received will be transferred to statement of profit and loss. So interest received account debit, $5,500 to statement of profit and loss 5,500. Interest transferred obviously to the statement of profit and loss. Okay, this entry should be passed. Interest received account is debited and transferred to profit and statement of profit and loss. हे समजायला अतिशय सोपं आहे. इंटरेस्ट हा आपला इन्कम आहे, सो अशा पद्धतीने एंट्री होईल. जर इंटरेस्ट पेड असेल तर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट अशी एंट्री होईल. ओके, इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड दिस प्रॉब्लेम. नाव टुडेज next problem. It is regarding redemption of debentures in case of a banking company. See the problem. State Bank of India issued 20,006% debentures of rupees 50 each at a premium of 8% on June 30th, 2010, redeemable on 30th June 2018. The issue was fully subscribed. Record necessary entries for issue and redemption of debentures. Here we have to pass the journal entries in case of this bank, that is a banking company, and we have to keep in mind that as per Companies Act, a banking company is not required to create DRR, and so it is not required to create investment. It is not required to invest the money. That is, company which is not required to create DRR is exempted from the investing 15% amount in any investment. So entries of DRR created and investment made and investment encashed will not be passed in case of a banking company. Okay, so let's start now. And this problem is of a banking company, that is financial company, State Bank of India. Here they told us that State Bank of India issued 20,000 debentures, 6% debentures of rupees 50 each at a premium of 8%. Amount is, the face value is rupees 50 and premium is 8% on June 30th, 2010. They are redeemable on June 30th, 2018. Okay, so we have to pass the necessary entries for issue and redemption of debentures. Let's start. First entry will be regular entry on 30th June 2010. Bank account debit. To 6% debentures application and allotment account. Narration: application money received. On 20,000 6% debentures at rupees 50 each at 8% premium. Means these debentures are issued at premium. 20,000 into 50 will be 10 lakhs and 6% debentures on 8% premium on 10 lakhs. तुम्हाला कळतं आहे 20,000 डिबेंचर्स गुणिले 50 that will be 10 lakhs and 8% premium. They are issued at 8% premium. Yes, they are issued at 8% premium. So 8% of 10 lakhs will be 80,000. So total amount received will be 10 lakhs face value plus 80,000 premium on issue. Okay, so 10 lakhs 80,000. Okay, now next entry will be of transfer of application money on the same date, that is on 30th June. 6% debentures application and allotment account debit 10 lakhs 80,000 to 6% debentures account 10 lakhs to security premium reserve account 80,000. See, 8% of 10 lakhs. After cancelling those two zeros, 10,000 is 1% amount. 10,000 into 8 means 80,000. So 80,000 is premium. Okay, security premium at the time of issue. So narration will be application money transferred. Okay, now there is no need to pass the entry of debenture redemption reserve because as per section 71 subsection 4 with rule 18 and subsection 7, a banking company is not required to create debenture redemption reserve, and so the company which is not required to create DRR is exempted from investing 15% amount in any investment also. So we will not pass the entries of DRR created, investment made, etc. Okay, as investment is not made, investment encashed entry will also not be there. Directly on 30th June 2018, entries of redemption, that is the amount due to debenture holders and amount paid to debenture holders. These two entries will be passed. So first amount due on redemption, 6% debentures account debit, 10 lakhs rupees are due because these debentures are redeemable at 30th June 2018. एवढंच सांगितलं आहे. So it is assumed that they are redeemable obviously at par. So 10 lakhs amount is payable to debenture holders. Amount due to debenture holders. No entry of DRR created. Now amount of payment on June 30th Debenture holders account debit. ₹10 lakhs to bank account, 10 lakhs. Amount paid to debenture holders, on redemption or payment made to debenture holders. You can write any narration. So this will be the last entry of this problem. As DRR is not created, DRR transferred to general reserve, this entry will not be passed. As investment is not made, encashment of investment or interest received, entry will not be passed in this problem. So only 4 entries to be passed in this problem. When it is a banking company or financial institutions, it is not required to create DRR. Understood? And today's last problem now. See the problem. Alpha Limited has 10,008% debentures of ₹100 each due for redemption on 31st March 2018. DRR has a balance of ₹1,90,000 on 31st March 2017. It was decided to invest the required amount towards DRI, means debenture redemption investment. Investments were realized at 104% less 0.5% brokerage and debentures were redeemed. Record the necessary entries for redemption of debentures. So let's start now. Let us pass the journal entries. This is the problem of Alpha Limited and we have to pass the journal entries of redemption of debentures. In this problem, they have not asked us to pass the entries of issue of debentures. So प्रॉब्लेममध्ये बघा, प्रॉब्लेमचं स्टार्टिंग, these debentures were issued at par or at premium अशा वाक्याने नाही आहे. They told us that Alpha Limited has 10,008% debentures of ₹100 each due for redemption on 31st March 2018. So we have to pass the journal entries for redemption only. Even in the last sentence, see the last sentence, record the necessary entries for the redemption of debentures only, not for the issue of debentures. Okay, so we have to pass only the entries for redemption of debenture of Alpha Limited. Amount due is 10,000 debentures into ₹100, that is 10 lakhs rupees. Amount is due for redemption on 31st March 2018. Okay, debenture redemption reserve has a balance of ₹1,90,000 on 31st March 2017. On 31st March 2017 means 1 year before the redemption due, they have debenture redemption reserve ₹1,20,000 already in their debenture redemption account. Okay, so we have required to transfer the remaining amount into DRR. See here, I will show you here a working note. Total DRR required to be transferred is 25% of 10 lakhs. As 10 lakhs amount is due on redemption, 25% of 10 lakhs will be 2,50,000. So as per law, total DRR should be 2,50,000. Okay, so less existing balance in DRR which is given in the problem. They told us that 1,90,000 balance is there in DRR account on 31st March 2017. So 1,90,000 is the existing balance. We will deduct 1,90,000 from 2,50,000. So 60,000 amount is required to be transferred to DRR. So this is the amount required to be transferred to debenture redemption reserve account. ओके, म्हणजे जर DRR ऑलरेडी दिलेला असेल तर रिक्वायर्ड अमाऊंट वी हॅव टू ट्रान्सफर. जर पुरेशी अमाऊंट असेल तर नो नीड ऑफ ट्रान्सफरिंग एनी न्यू अमाऊंट इन DRR account. Okay, So now we will transfer the 60,000 amount to DRR account first on 31st March 2017. Statement of profit and loss account, loss debit. $60,000 to DRR account, 60,000. Transferred required amount in DRR as per SEBI guidelines. As per SEBI guidelines, 25% amount is required to be transferred in DRR. They have already balanced rupees 1,90,000. So we have transferred the balance amount, that is 60,000, into DRR account. Now entry of investment made. Investment will be made on 30th April, on or before 30th April. So 30th April 2017, 1 एप्रिल 2017ला इयर चालू होईल. 30th एप्रिलपर्यंत ते कधीही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करू शकतात 15% अमाऊंटची. सो ऑन 30th एप्रिल 2017 डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट, डिबेंचर रिडम्पशन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू bank account. Amount due on redemption is 10 lakhs and 15% of 10 lakhs will be 1,50,000. So 1,50,000. Okay. Investment made at 15% of nominal value of debentures redeemable. ओके. सो डिबेंचर्स रिडीमेबल आहेत, त्याच्या 15% इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केलेली आहे. नाव एंट्रीज ऑन द डेट ऑफ रिडम्पशन. Redemption is due on 31st March 2018. So 31st March 2018. First entry will be of sale of investment. Okay. Now here again we have to do some working, because see here they told us that the investment were realized at 104%, means more than its face value, less 0.5% brokerage. Okay. So we have to calculate the amount realized on investment. Amount realized from sale of investment. This is our second working note. Here we have calculated amount required to be transferred to DRR. Now in this working note we will calculate amount realized from sale of investment. ज्यावेळेला प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सेल ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंटची अमाऊंट सांगितलेली नसते त्यावेळेला आपण सेम अमाऊंट मिळाले असं गृहीत धरतो. बट इन दिस प्रॉब्लेम दे हॅव मेन्शन दॅट द इन्व्हेस्टमेंट वेर सोल्ड ॲट 104% less 0.5% brokerage. Okay. So investment is of 1,50,000. Investment into 104%. 1,50,000 into 104% means 104 into 100. So amount is 1,56,000. But from this 1,56,000 we have to deduct the brokerage. Okay. So less brokerage at 0.5%, that is 1,56,000 into 0.5% means 0.5 upon 100. Okay. So amount is 780. Understood? Now we have to deduct 780 from 1,56,000. So the amount will be 1,55,220. So amount we have got from the investment is 1,55,220, which is more than the investment made. Investment made is 1,50,000 and the company got 1,55,220. Therefore profit in sale of investment is equal to 1,55,220 minus 1,50,000. So it will be 5220. This will be profit in sale of investment. Understood? So now let's pass the journal entry. Now in this journal entry there should be the separate account for profit on sale of investment, and as it is profit, this account will be credited. So entry of encashment of investment, bank account debit. See, as per our working note, they are getting 1,55,220 rupees. To DRI, debenture redemption investment account, 1,50,000, and profit in sale of investment account to profit on sale of investment account. As per our calculation, 5220 is their profit on sale of this investment. Okay, so narration will be investment encashed at 104% less brokerage of 0.5%. असं पण लिहिलं तरी चालेल, नाही लिहिलं तरी चालेल, बिकॉज आपण वर्किंग नोट करणार आहोत आणि वर्किंग नोट शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ युअर आन्सर. वर्किंग नोट हे रफ पेपरवर करायची नाही आहे. मी जशी सिस्टमॅटिकली वर्किंग नोट केली आहे तशी प्रॉब्लेमच्या खाली तुम्हाला वर्किंग नोट करायची आहे. ओके, जर्नल ड्रॉ करून झाल्यावर खाली वर्किंग नोट्स असं म्हणून वर्किंग करत करत तुम्हाला अमाऊंट्स फिल करायचे आहेत प्रॉब्लेममध्ये. सो वर्किंग नोट असल्यामुळे इथे 0.5 लेस ब्रोकरेज 0.5% असं नाही लिहिलं तरी इट इज ओके. ओके, सो दिस इज द एंट्री ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट एनकॅश्ड. नाउ ऑन 31st March 2018, again on 31st March 18 we have to show the amount due on redemption now. So 8% debentures account debit to debenture holders account. %8 debenture holders account debit to debenture holders account. Amount due on redemption is 10 lakhs. Okay, now the next entry on the same date, that is on 31st March 2018. Amount paid to debenture holders. So holders account debit 10 lakhs to bank account $10 lakhs. Okay, payment made to debenture holders. Now on the same date we have to transfer the DRR account to general reserve account. So same date, DRR account debit, that is debenture redemption reserve account debit, total amount 2,50,000 will be transferred to general reserve account. So to general reserve account 2,50,000. on the redemption. And now one more entry is to be passed. just like last problem. In last problem we have earned interest and we have transferred the interest earned to statement of profit and loss. In the similar way, in this problem we have earned profit on sale of investment and this profit will be transferred to statement of profit and loss. Okay, so on the same date, that is on 31st March 18, profit on sale of investment account debit 5220 to statement of profit and loss 5220. Statement of profit and loss is the name of profit and loss account in case of company accounts. Okay, so it will be 5220. Narration: transfer of profit of sale of investment, profit on sale of investment, or you can write profit on sale of investment transferred to statement of profit and loss, etc. In this way, in this problem we have to pass the journal entries. In this problem we have not passed the entries of issue of debentures because they have asked us to pass the entries for the redemption of debentures only. So this entry will be transferred the required amount in DRR. Then this entry will be, this entry is debenture redemption investment made. This entry is of debenture redemption investment encashed, that is sold. Amount due on redemption to the debenture holders, amount paid to the debenture holders. This entry is of transferring DRR to general reserve account, and this entry is of transferring the profit on sale of investment to statement of profit and loss. In this way we have to pass these entries and prepare working note similarly below the problem. Okay, so we have solved three problems today. Solve all these problems into your notebook and ask if there is any doubt. That's all.